Hello everyone, my name's Jene. Welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today's video we're going to be doing a full post review on this beautiful painting that comes from Staroar. This is Poppy and this is a 39 by 52 full round drill with 1 AB and 3 crystals. The drill area measures at 35 by 47. This is a beautiful painting and another painting that I really love from Staroar. Staroar is one of my favorite stores, and the reason for that is because it incorporates regular round facets with ABs and crystals, and it really makes these paintings pop and look extremely sparkly. So let me give you a little bit of information on Poppy. Again, it is a 39 by 52 full round, and that is the entire canvas. The drill area is 35 by 47, and I purchased this over a year ago, and I just now finished it. Now, I started it though on June 28th, and I finished on July 2nd. One thing I wanted to bring up is that Lucy had remapped this painting about 3 weeks after I purchased this one. I'm not quite sure the difference between this one, which is the original, and the remapping one, but I have to say this painting turned out beautiful. So I'm not disappointed with it at all. Now, we're going to go over the pros and cons. We're going to do the cons first and then the pros. The one con that I had with this painting was the G's. The symbols were a red background with white lettering, and it was very difficult at times to see if it was a G or if it was a 3 or if it was an 8. It just looked like all three of them, and very difficult. It was almost like the Dreamer's Design painting where the white symbols were a bit fuzzy but the darker symbols were perfect. This one was the same thing. Now, I'm not sure if it is the quality of ink they're using or if it is a combination of the ink and the canvas. I noticed with Dreamer's Designs it was almost like the white ink was bleeding into the fabric, which would have caused it to become fuzzy. And I found that this one was similar to that. So again, I'm not really sure what causes that because the darker symbols were crystal clear. It just was the white symbols. Other than that, the drills were perfect. I had tons of extra drills, and the crystals were perfect. I had some garbage, but very minimal. And very impressed with that because crystals usually you find a lot more garbage. The ABs were really nice and again had lots and lots of extras. So I'm just going to move this around so that you can see the sparkle in this canvas. It is just amazing. And I am going to be working on covering up the border like I did with House on the Hill. And not sure exactly what color I'm going to be doing. I want to kind of give it more of a lighter color, more of a pink or a coral color, just so that I can bring out that beautiful dark rich reds and orange in Poppy. So everyone, again, this is Poppy. This comes from Staroar. This is a 39 by 52 full round with 1 AB and 3 crystals. The drill area is 35 by 47. Beautiful, beautiful painting. Highly recommend not only this painting, but Staroar altogether. So by saying that, everyone, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell's going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you so much for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.